So this is a fuse location for a 2010 Toyota Camry. Right there, you see October of 2010. So we're looking for the fuse holder, or the fuse for that charger cup holder located under the driver's side steering wheel. You go under, see the fuse panel right there. You pull that panel out, pops right out. Tells you where your fuse is. Right here for cigar lighter, power outlet, cigar, CIG. Those are the ones we're looking for. And so under here, under the dash, instead of using the little fuse holder that we have, the tool, you're gonna want to find a pair of needle nose pliers. These are pretty good to use because these little fuses are hard to get out. You can get these tools anywhere, like at your auto parts store or Harbor Freight. And pull it out. And you want to check it. And you want to check it and see if the little filament in there is busted. You see that? Now let's put a good one next to it. Alright, so it's kind of hard to see, but that's a bad fuse right there. The little filament in the middle of the bridge is broken, and that's a good fuse right there. Now this car uses multiple fuses. It uses the big fuse, the under the hood fuse box, and then this is for the under dash fuse box. Excuse me. So you see that's a bad fuse, that's a good fuse, but this is the same 20 amp fuse. If you look at the numbers, 20 amps, but they're different sizes. So make sure you have the right style fuse. We need this one for under the dash, so we're gonna put this in that location. This is our good fuse. That's the bad one. We're gonna put that back in the slot. There you go. Just make sure it's pushed in. You don't want it sticking out. You want them to be kind of flush. Run me over. There you go. Put your cover back on. It just simply goes back on like that. There's like little tabs you line up. There you go. And then the one under the hood, I'll show you that one. Pop your hood latch right here. You go under the hood. Fuse location. Right here, you push this little button. Pop it open, and that's your factory fuse holder, so spare fuses with the bigger style fuse that I was mentioning. This is the fuse map. This is the fuse map for the under the hood fuse box. You might want to slow it down or pause it and see which one's which in case you don't have this cover or if they're worn out. But that's for under the hood, and that's the driver's side behind the headlamp. You got that fuse box, and then you got the fuse box under the steering wheel. Want to make sure it works, you turn the key on with your charger plugged in, and there you go. It's charging.